Hey guys, look, can you believe it? These balloons are, let's see, they're 8 weeks, 9 weeks. They're still, these were given to me and my twin for our birthday. And they're still hanging in there. I'll insert at the end of this video that when I got in my car this morning to go make a delivery for groceries, delivering groceries that I picked up for my little widow lady friend, Aunt, I call her Aunt. They were hanging out around my hood of my car. My husband put them out because they were going down, and they were sort of down on the floor, and then I took that thing on the bottom that keeps them hanging up, and they just went straight back up. They're just hanging out. Balloons make me happy. Just the little things. Balloons make me happy. I love balloons. I love to see them. I love the way they may move around in the house. Last year I had some balloons and I put them close to the stairs, and when we were watching TV and it went upstairs. It went upstairs. We could never find that balloon. It took us the longest time to find that balloon, and it had gone in one of the guest suites. Now, I name my bedrooms when people come. In fact, it's the name. I have the parents' room, and then I have the sister's room. It went into the sister's room. I thought that was so funny, but they make me happy. I'm not going nuts. Yes, I'm quarantined. Yes, but I'm not going nuts. But I love balloons. They just make you happy. One time, I had a balloon, and a balloon, I said, okay, Mama, come on. And it was like it followed me around the corner. I know this is crazy, but what the little things that make you happy? So, get you some balloons. Let them say happy, happy on them. Let them have a bear on them. Let them have stars on them. Let them have whatever you have and make your day happy too. Doesn't take much, as I said. I hope you guys have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And if you want to be happy, 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 get you some balloons like I said 100 times in this video. But get your balloon and say, hi, I love you. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I hope so.